Okay, today's little trick is to how to take an Alibre part and convert it into something we can use with Diptrace. So first we're opening the part we would like to make. And here you can see the part, which in this case is a battery holder. Nicely colored red, even though it should be black. We're going to go with that. Once you've had black, you'll never go back. We all know that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to export. And we are going to export this in a step file. STL, that's correct. So we come here to STL and we save it. It's under 3D imports. And now we can close out of Alibre. And now that Alibre is done, we go and open our favorite program called FreeCAD. And we're doing this because there is a problem between Alibre and some of the other stuff. So here we are going to open, and we are going to open 3D imports. Should be battery holder.stl. And now you can see that we have the battery holder. Someone has done a very nice job modeling this. Unfortunately, the color does not come through with this, but otherwise everything else looks great. Okay, and now we are going to save it again, export it, and we're going to export it as a STL file. And we will take and do, you see it? Well, we have to go do that. And there. And we will save it. And we're basically just overwriting it again, but we overwrite it with the new format. Now we close FreeCAD, which I know was, and don't save it. And now you're going to go ahead and open our favorite program, not Wings 3D. Another free program. If you could put all the free programs together, you'd still have a lot of free bugs. Now we are going to take and we are going to import a STL file. And this time we will do batteryholder.stl, the one we just saved from FreeCAD. And then that came from Alibre, so this is very roundabout. And as you can see, there it is right there. And now we will export it into Vermal 2.0. And looking good. So we should be doing battery holder underscore holder, and it'll give it a .vermal. And now we've saved it. And that is all you have to do. Wow, okay. And all right, and then next would be to come and open the board that you want to take the viewer in. This is our Diptrace layout, and we're going to add the recently created, albeit indirectly, to our new model tree. And now we are looking for the battery holder, which is this one right here. And we will search for the file. And it will be under one more, I think. Batteryholder.whirl. And as you can see, there it is. Unfortunately, the axis is always rotated. We have to learn how to do that better. But I think it has to do with our orientation in Alibre. It all starts there. So you can take and rotate this, and that's a good start. And now we have to rotate it wrong way. And now we have to offset it. And it's usually half the part size. And this is usually 10. And that gets it down to the right size. And that's looking closer. Okay. There's that one. Okay, as you can see, the part is upside down. That's not what we wanted, so that means that the rotation here should have been 90 degrees. And then this should have been 90 degrees. And now this should be up minus 0.2. Oops. Yeah, just a second. That looks about right. Well, okay, so that's just about right. Looks like we got it a little bit high here. That looks good to me. Okay, so now we can view it. So we click the old cranker on, and it's working like a little dog. And voila. And of course you can't see it because it's on the back side of the board where it belongs. Dude, that's amazing. And here we go. That's the end of the file.